5 things you need to do to become popular. 5 things you need to do to become a celebrity. If you want to become popular, you want to become famous, these 5 things will help you. Few years ago, nobody knew this person will sit down for years. But as of today, if you open your mouth talk say you don't know who Ghen Ghen be, it's a crime. It's a national crime and you go pay dearly for it. Nobody go pity you. For you to say you don't know me, now big crime will be say they go hold you go pay. Are you part of us? Are you a Nigerian? Are you living in this world? For you to talk say you don't know who I be. As of today, I boldly tell you, apart from Burna Boy, Davido, Whiskey, no other person they know past Ghen Ghen. Whether you like it or not, whether you like it or not, he did there. So if you don't say who is Ghen Ghen, people go look and say, you should say you did Nigeria, are you a Nigerian? So now these 5 things I do really help me. Number 1 thing you need to do to become a celebrity or to become popular is to be different and unique. What is celebrity? What is fame? Fame simply means you have the attention of the people on you, and there's no way people are going to pay attention to you if you look you look like every other person or you behave like every other person. You know that. So now just the secret be that just be a different person so that they can easily spot you from the rest of the people. Now so it end. You see this girl we trend that time, Kelly. Now her look, her beauty, now what it give her fame. Even this boy, take it, now face, he look, give her that fame that time. What of this boy with the cut off a stream now call now that you look and the way they talk, you say that thing not easily separate her from the rest people. That thing that doesn't simply separate her from the rest people. It can easily be noticed. There's a reason why I look like this. Go check the videos when I pay for my Instagram. Come back to my present videos. I look way different from that person. Now me choose this look. I choose to look like this, bro. No let my look bother you. Now me choose this look. So that people can easily identify. From back, they say from back, even small children was they see me, they say, see Ghen Ghen, they will invite other people. People should come, Ghen Ghen is passing, when I come, they invite people because the boy look unique. Even if you put 50 people will look like me for the same place, I will see they very, very outstanding. Nobody look like me. Nobody be like me. Nobody cute like me. nobody sweet like me. I sweet finish. Now me choose this look, bro. Not worry. Forget. You understand? So people can easily spot you. Recently, one girl visit me, so she was like, "Me we go out. Yeah, you know, we don't spend this for this house. You know they come out." I got a laugh. That doesn't mean I know they come out. So personally, I live a very boring life. My lifestyle is very, very boring. The personal one, and I sacrifice when I pay so that my outside life will feel very, very entertaining. You need to understand. Say, I be person will say people they pay to see, and for that to happen, I must preserve myself. I must be preserved. I don't feel they do everything everybody they do. I don't feel they go where everybody they go. Now sacrifice when they pay with that. So now these things you need to put in. Before even when this thing was not paying me, I don't live this lifestyle already. I'm always isolated, creating, building something. Now when the thing don't explode, nobody go talk about when the person they build, they strategize. Now strategy, are they inside? They work on the look, they work on the way they talk. Even when we did Ghana that time, I ask questions my former age mate, they go tell you, I did that time. After normal break time, I'll come, they lecture, they teach, they talk to myself. That's how they feel like that they craze, but today the whole thing is paying off. But there was a time I was isolated, I did think, I did plan. Now the fruits don't ripe. my fruit don't ripe. My fruit don't ripe now. That's all this is now. So personally, I live a very boring life so that my outside life will be very, very entertaining. I dey preserve myself. I know they go everywhere where everybody feel. I know if you do everything everybody they do because the moment I know they go everywhere everybody they go, nothing go dey special about me again. So if I dey everywhere they see me everywhere easily like that, I don't want to pay to come see me. Now the thing be that okay, you want me to carry go that place when you want to drink, when you don't drink finish now. What go ask now? Please be my target customer be that will be say you go feel okay me the book carry come this place. If now you don't go that place go enjoy. I don't want to book me come that place again with money. So personally on my own, what you they see as enjoyment. Now my job, they pay me to do it. So if you easily go there as part of your normal life, but me I don't go easily go there. I need to see money before I go there. Because all these things. So when I explain all these things, give the guy, call it the other says, okay, no wonder. You understand? So you need to have a life that is very, very different and unique to you, so that people can so that will easily separate you from the rest of the people. Number 2 thing you need to do to become a celebrity, you have to embrace your unfair advantages. At a time where everybody they sing, all musicians they come, they talk from their grass to great story. I did Gota, now I don't make am, I don't buy Lambo. The video just come from nowhere. Say, Madami Duro, the son of a rich man and from a wealthy family, he embraced the unfair advantages. A singer to your face, say, my papa get money, I don't need your help. I'm coming here to use my father's influence, his money and everything to support the talent I already have to push myself to greater heights. And even to today, see, let you they know the show of wealth, private jets, everything, expensive trip. They let you they know, say, I knock off from struggle. And they use wealth, they build this thing, they go. So the wealth, the family wealth is an advantage for him, and he capitalized on it well. If you are a top person, capitalize on your advantage. Work, man, not go they struggle with short people. Say, make it not be say I won't use my height, stay intimidate people. No, if now your advantage with that, embrace it, work on it. You understand what they talk? If now short, you short. embrace short go easily let people notice you if you short. You see them Aki Abobo. Now why I talk say Aki Abobo that time, now the look really make them look funny. People they feel I don't know what I talk. I talk say Aki Abobo not funny. On the twist what people they talk. On the twist what people they talk. I say now their look, the height. Now what really make them look funny. Now it's okay. Now we say they don't dey bit fat, they can't dey cute and well balanced. Check them now why they not funny anymore. So the look contribute to what really make them look funny that time. Now what I talk with that. You understand what they talk? You see person like age and other thing too. At the time we say every person they do an old people, whiskey come into the game as a very young person. Then we spot and say, who be this small boy? When they do this thing way better than even the way the old people they do them. Age and advantage, your unfair advantage, embrace them, then capitalize on them. Then you go see say people go easily notice you. Who be that normal data boy way sweet when else coming to the game? Who be that guy we don't know gay? Who be that guy we don't know gay? See, who be that guy we don't know gay? Hey, who be that guy we don't know gay? See, you could cry. You understand what this is now? People go easily notice when you look different from every other person. So if you are a girl, you are so beautiful, go where they appreciate beauty. Capitalize on it. Not what they say because they are fine now. I don't want to do this kind of thing. People not go start use my no. Use your beauty to oppress people. Use your beauty to oppress people. If you are ugly, go where they notice ugly people. Everything for this world get advantage. It's just for you to know where you belong. They capitalize on it. As you see me, so personally, I talk a lot. When people they say I see Ghen Ghen for real life, the guy was shy. No, not to the talk. Oga, I they talk. Now just maybe I not just want talk. No, not be every day you they talk. How many people now they could take advantage of people? What they say, you just they talk anyhow. If you are there around my friends, as they tired, I mean they start the talk, I mean they end the talk. Because my family, I'm from a family of teachers, not teaching, and there's no way you want to teach when you not sabi talk. Now pastors and teachers who my family, I mean I be one of them. When I did SS2, I don't teach GSS1 to GSS3 for the school when I go and ask. Even when I still finish secondary school that time after everything, I still get private school and the head. Where they teach everything. So this talking a part of me, so I capitalize on a brain. I always say every time I'm always here advising people. That's my job. I always advise you. You're not getting that thing I want to do apart from advising people. When I wait as a bit to be that. So I always capitalize on them. Anything you know how to do or any advantage when nature give you, no matter how it be, whether you look a certain way they differ from every other person, capitalize on it. There's nothing like ugly or beauty. Now you see all those things. If you build them well, you go use to take pack, take get the attention of the people. And once attention is there, money will come. Money they follow attention, they come. As you get investing, get everywhere. So now money be that. You're not going to understand. Because the way the boy they live in a very private life, so you're not going to understand what they go on behind the scene. Then number 3 thing you need to do to become a celebrity or to become very popular. Number 3 thing you need to do is to market your skills. Now you don't be isolated, you don't build all this lifestyle, you don't know your advantages. It is now time for you to market these things to the world to see. Because even if you look this beautiful, normal, sweet, beautiful girl, if you not market yourself, now let people within your area go, you know, you say, won't find your way in this street too. You not pass there, and there's no way, you're not going to walk past that place go. So you need to start marketing, stop hiding yourself, embrace your greatness, show the world who you be, what you are made of. Ghen Ghen is a financial expert, the first illiterate to fund and invest in the history of Africa. I create a record for TikTok, biggest live stream in the history of Africa, solo, single-handedly. Not be say I invite Bona, but only me solo. The boy from Delta State run now without the help of anybody, solo. So show yourself to the world, brag about yourself, tell people what you be. And now they assume say people don't really know you like that. So now you go tell them say that's how I build. And when I say every day, watch every of my video. Why the people say if you watch you to this level, write my name in capital letter. I don't know say you know my name, they remind you to write my name in capital letter. I know, but every day I always remind you, say, see who I be, before you go forget me. You understand what this is now? So show people what you're made of, market yourself, sell yourself. Nobody will do one for you. Push yourself, put your face in the face of people, let them see you. Say, see me for here. If you go public place, go sit down for front, nobody hide for back. The front is meant for you. It's for great people and you are a great person. Go and sit in the front. You understand these things? Now nobody say, and especially people they the front, to go there because people wait for they go easily see them before the people wait they back. So they where they go easily notice you. Speak when everybody they speak. Not go they say you want the form and I mean get high class. Then when before you go reach your time to speak, meet the door close, everybody don't come out. Be the first person to talk. Even if the thing when you talk not make sense, that girl will first start the talk that time. They describe the way easily position you. So okay, that girl will first start to where that meeting, the first person will talk. That one say they go use that one to recognize you first. Now part of the process, you know understand. Number 4, associate yourself with known people, celebrities. You know that people they already know, we already popular. My collaboration with OGB helped me a lot, especially that G-Wagon saga that time. That really helped catapult me to the next level. Because some people at this level be say, not be say they not they see what you they do, but they start see you with people where they like, or people that they appreciate, or people that they admire. They not go pay attention to what you they do. Even if you like, give all the best of what you they do. If they not they see with other people where they like, they go look at that guy said the guy they do one kind. But immediately they see you say, okay, this guy said don't see the package with other people. They go see more associate themselves with your brand. And a part of life, you not go blame them. You know that even you say you they criticize people from afar. You they judge people from afar. So people deal with the judge Ghen Ghen from afar. But the moment they go say, this guy said they deal with the most shipping, not shipping a person when they like. You will say, okay, that's more likeness. You know the ship they come my side. Now part of the team. Then my collaboration with Honest Bunch that time. When I take go Honest Bunch, when they invite me that time, you see that thing still push me. You see my recent collaboration with Pella, it still push my brand. So associate yourself with known brand or known personality already popular and famous. So that's more fame. So they go see attachment to you. People like them Israel DMW, now the video fame still make them become celebrity. You see person like DJ Tunes, now Whiskey fame still make them become celebrity. So by associating yourself with celebrities, known people already, that can easily give you fame. Simple as ABC. You know all these things now. This video not too long. If you watch out to this level, write my name in capital letter, Ghen Ghen. You know that. Then about 5 things you need to do to become a celebrity or to become popular is to imitate what people don't popular what they do already. You understand? Imitate some of the things they don't do, where they put into action, where push you to that level. Maybe I don't tell you already. Some of all these things when I tell you can implement them, add your own source and everything to it. They use it to push yourself to the next level. Because for you when they start afresh, it will really hard for you to see already popular when one really use we go use you, we go use the brand, they build your brand. At least you go up build yourself to some level, we go facing make you say okay, you want to collaborate, you want to associate with all these people. So implement everything way I don't implement like this now. You don't understand. They push yourself to the next level. Don't forget, I'm ready to see you at the top. I already did the top already. I'm ready at the top. I'm waiting here. Climb. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you at the top. Climb.